Get instant hot filtered water for your tea, coffee, soups in seconds. This is the Waterdrop reverse osmosis filter dispenser, which can give you hot filtered water faster than a kettle using its latest heat technology. More information can be found on their website and their Amazon store. Now, the RO systems can remove over 99% of contaminants from water, going through 6 stages of filtration in removing bacteria, viruses, lead and much more. Also be aware that it lowers TDS and pH levels, which will give you a flat taste. Laboratory tests have already been carried out on other videos here on YouTube, so it's best to research which filter will best suit you. Inside the box you will get a welcome pack with step-by-step easy instructions to follow on how to set up the Waterdrop dispenser. No tools are required. You will get one water drip tray, one Waterdrop RO filter that carries a 1-year life, and the Waterdrop RO hot water dispenser. Right, let's get this up and running. Remove any plastic protective tape. The water tank carries a 3 litres capacity, can be easily taken off and placed back in. On the right is your pure water tank. So once it's filtered, it gets stored into this tank. To release, press down on this button and lift up. Carries a capacity of 1 litre. Push down until it clicks. Can be removed and stored in your fridge too. On the left is where you insert your filter. So let's follow the steps. Install the new filter, slot in and twist. To replace after a year, follow the guidelines given. Step 2. Feed the water tank with tap water. Once you slot back in the tank, it will automatically detect it and it will start the flush process. Once the percentage reaches 100%, that means it's complete. Overall, it will require 2 flushes. In the meantime, you can scan the QR code to check the warranty and other products from Waterdrop. Step 3. When the tank indicator is on, pour out the water and refill again. Slot in the tank back in with new water and the pump will start again. Step 4. Now the system is filling up the pure water tank. When the water drop symbol flashes blue, place a jug, then press the water drop symbol. Do not drink this water as the flush is not complete yet. You can stop and start the water dispenser whenever you like. Tip away the jug water and carry on with the flush process. As you can see, the percentage is rising. Step 5. When the indicator light in is on, repeat step 4. So basically refill your tank and dispense the water out until the flush completes 100%. Remember, when the indicator light says out, you tip the remaining water away and refill. "100% flush has now been reached, and now you can drink from the dispenser." The whole process takes around 20 minutes, and you just need to do this once a year because your filter will need changing after 1 year. From the screen you can change the amount of water to dispense from half a mug to 1 litre. There are different presets to choose from. You can change the temperature from room temperature, lukewarm, all the way to 99 degrees Celsius, which is the same temperature as your kettle. Press the water drop symbol to dispense. If you're dispensing hot water, a child lock symbol will appear. Press to deactivate. The star symbol is to save your desired settings. Guys, now that is piping hot, just like you're having a normal cup of tea. While the kettle is still heating up, in seconds I can get hot water from the Waterdrop dispenser. For those who want to know the TDS readings, this is normal tap water, not filtered. And this is reading from the Waterdrop reverse osmosis water filter, which is accurate on the charts. Now you must be wondering, how much does it cost on electric here in the UK for hot water? The dispenser unit is 2150 watts and we run it for less than a minute. You're looking under 1p for 1 mug of hot water. Guys, if you're interested in a hot water dispenser, check out Waterdrop. Take care, peace.